Okay. Next, any other? Yeah, there's a last fact for the day. Advaika.
Sir, can I? India is only a country other than US and Japan to have built a supercomputer indi- indigenously.
Hmm. Okay.
Sir, can I?
Yeah, it's enough for today. So we'll come back to the topic first. I told you to copy this 2 tabular column in the classwork notes, right? Last class.
Yes, sir. Copy.
Okay. So vitamin A is the main source is the green leafy vegetables, fruits, butter, egg yolk, carrot, and the fish oil. And the main function of the vitamin A is to keep our eyes healthy and the skin healthy. And the growth of the hair also is important. Okay. So whenever there is a deficiency of vitamin A in our body, it will cause the blindness or the improper vision, dryness of the eyes. So these are the symptoms and the deficiency disease.
Sir,
Yeah.
means we will be blind at the night.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
It means that we will be blind at the night.
It's not like completely, yeah. We cannot see properly in the night, obviously, but there will be little vision will be there, right? Yes or no? But also we can't see properly.
The lights are off.
Blur,
During the
blur
light,
vision and
blur
dim light.
vision will be there. And if you see the light also in the region of the light also, you'll see the blur vision will be there. Okay, that is because of deficiency of vitamin A. Fine. But when you are speaking, your mic should be on.
Oh, sorry, sir. What's the meaning of B1, B2, B12?
Again, the vitamin B is classified into different types. Subclassification. Vitamin B is the only one. Again, the vitamin B, we have the different types of classification in the B1, B2, B12 and all. Okay.
Okay,
First
sir.
tell me, vitamins are how many types?
Well, sir, they're classified as 5.
First, water soluble vitamin, fat soluble vitamin. Do you remember this point?
Yes, sir.
So what is the meaning of water soluble vitamin? Or which are the water soluble vitamins?
Sir, sir, I didn't got you.
Which are the water soluble vitamins?
Sir, is it vitamin C? Vitamin
B
C?
and C. Vitamin B and C.
Vitamin. Oh,
Both vitamin B and C are the water soluble vitamins. Okay.
A is A, D, and K is egg soluble.
Fat soluble, not egg soluble.
Fat.
We'll eat egg, we'll eat raw meat and all. We'll keep some eggs inside our body so that it will store the vitamins, right? It's okay, good. So vitamin A, D, E, K are the fat soluble vitamin. Vitamin B and C are the water soluble vitamins. These, okay. One more thing is we can pronounce it as a vitamins or the vitamins. Don't confuse, okay? Both you can use vitamins or the vitamins. So when you take this vitamin B1, B2, B12, all these are water soluble, right? We have to take continuously in the regular diet because we cannot store these vitamins in our body. So whichever the vitamins are there, we cannot store in our body. We have to take them in the regular diet. So example are the B1, B2, B12. So what is the common source of B1?
It's eggs.
Egg, whole
Egg,
grains
yeah.
and sprouts. Okay. Then what is the main role of vitamin B1 in our body?
Aids in digestion, maintenance, nervous.
It helps in the system and maintaining our nervous system properly. Helps in the functioning of nervous system, helps in the digestion. Okay. Then what is the symptoms of vitamin B1 deficiency? What are
Yes,
the
sir. Can you repeat
symptoms?
the
Very,
question?
very
Sir,
good.
it keeps
It
our
is very,
skin
very
and mouth healthy.
What are the symptoms of vitamin B1?
Very, very.
Disease name is beriberi.
Symptoms. Digestive problems and heart problems.
And sir, heart will not work properly.
Heart abnormalities,
Sir,
digestive problems,
inflammation of nerves.
inflammation of nerves. Yeah.
Sir,
Sorry, Advaika.
what is the meaning of beriberi?
Beriberi is one type of disease.
What it works?
Yeah, we'll see a image of that, or if any other source is there, I'll check it. Wait 1 minute. Sorry.
Sir,
Okay.
we will have spots on our. What do we have spots?
Advaika, can you see?
Yes, sir. Very disease.
So you can see this one beriberi, how it is looking on the hands and the skin.
So, and the full body, we will have the spots, sir. Like
Yeah.
something. I will be like totally weak.
So like these spots will be formed on the skin. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So inflammation of nerves. You know inflammation, right? Swelling
Yeah, sir.
and digestive problems. So when you're eating the chicken biryani, it will not digest. Yes or no? For vegetarians, when you're eating the veg biryani, it will not digest.
So even for even one thing also it does not digest.
Even
Even when we don't chew and just we eat and swallow,
yeah,
then it does it digest?
it won't digest. When you're not taking the proper sleep, also it won't digest. Okay. We have to do some activity, right? In the morning time now we'll walk or we'll do some exercise or we'll do some work so that it will digest. When you're eating late nights and you're not taking the proper sleep now, when you're brushing in the morning, the same food will come out. Yes or no? What Vedant playing? Playing?
No, sir.
Okay. So next one, what is the vitamin B2 source? Vitamin B2 source.
Eggs, milk, and green leafy vegetables.
Egg, milk, and green leafy vegetables. So what is the main function of vitamin B2?
Keep skin and mouth healthy.
Keep our skin and mouth healthy. Whenever our mouth healthy, only you can eat properly, right?
Because of
Hmm?
2 days before my teeth was broken.
Okay. So it's a milky teeth only, right? It will go and it will come back again. Don't worry. But once the teeth come now, if it broke, that's all. You'll not get it back.
Mama, these two teeth has came 3 times.
Oh, 3 times.
Yes, sir.
Then you're a golden girl.
Mm-hmm.
Are you eating food or you're eating stones?
I'm eating food only
Then
and milk and juice and the
why
water.
it is breaking 3 times? How come?
I don't know. It was broken in first class, UKG first and second. Second class, it was too much.
Okay.
So can we continue?
Yeah, we'll continue. Next, what is the symptoms of deficiency of vitamin B2?
Sir, irritation of eyes, skin
intestinal disorders, inflammation of the tongue.
Skin disorders.
Okay.
Symptoms, not the disease.
Okay.
Irritation of eyes, skin. Intestinal disorders, inflammation of the tongue.
So it will cause the irritation of the eyes, skin, and the intestinal disorders and inflammation of the tongue. So that is the main symptoms of the vitamin B2 deficiency. So especially vitamin B2 plays an important role in the healthy of the skin, right? Skin disorders.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one, vitamin B12.
Sir, formation of red blood cells.
Formation of
Sources meat. Sources formation of red blood cells. This is anemia, bleak skin, lack of stamina, and appetite, frequent headaches.
Okay. So vitamin B12 is very, very important because it helps in the formation of red blood cells. So what is the importance of red blood cells?
Sir, it carries oxygen.
Sir, can you repeat the question, sir?
What is the importance of red blood cells in the blood?
Sir, it carries oxygenated blood cells to all the body parts.
Okay. What about Srigoda?
Sir,
Yeah.
in our body there is red blood only.
Really?
Sir, there is also white blood cells also. Yes, sir. If we will eat mango pickle more, we will get black blood also, sir.
Uh-huh.
What?
If you eat more mango pickle, I'll get black blood.
No.
We eat mango, we will get a yellow blood cells.
Then if you eat kacha mango, now you'll get green blood?
Yes.
The blood is always red only.
No, no, no. Vinil, always our blood will be red in color only. Due to the food, the blood color will not change. Okay. If you eat the mango pickle, na, blood will not change the color. Okay. Anybody knows the answer? Srigoda, what is the answer? What is the importance of red blood cells in the human body? First, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Know the answer?
Sir, can I?
It's okay, no problem.
Me, sir.
Sir, can I?
Sir, can I?
Unmute.
Sir, can I?
Sir, can
Yeah,
I,
yeah, I
sir?
will give you a chance. Each and everyone, I will give you a chance. Karthik Verma, are you there first?
Sir, Hariharan, sir.
Wait, I will give you a chance.
Sir.
But turn on your cam. You are not at all responding from the starting onwards.
Sir, I have, sir.
Can you tell the answer, Karthik?
So I'm having net issues if I on my camera.
No problem. You can just turn on and close it off.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can I? Sir, I'm Vedant, sir. Can I tell?
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, first, Hariharan. What is the answer, Hari?
Sir, to transport oxygen to the body tissues in exchange of carbon dioxide, sir.
Very good. Next, Soumya.
So, sir, it will help in the circulation of blood, sir, in the whole body.
Okay.
Can I? In the blood of
sir,
to the heart.
Very good.
sir, can I?
Yeah, Vedant, I will give you a chance in the next question.
Uh-oh.
Tell. Vedant.
Sir, it helps. Red blood cells are red only because they contain a protein.
Sorry.
Sir, I think they carry the oxygenated blood, sir. It carries all over the... We have to tell the function of the red cell, or we have to tell the why it is red.
So what is the function of the RBC in the human blood? That is the
Can
question
I?
I am asking. Yeah, Singham.
Okay, sir. Like it give the red blood cells. It convert the food. It convert the carbohydrate into the glucose, and the combination of and when the cell combine, they make the tissue, and when the tissue combine, they make the organ. So we can say tissue is the tissue. So
Okay,
we can
but
say that
actually this is not the
red
main.
blood cell form
Yeah,
the
yeah.
organ.
This is not the main concept of the RBC. Red blood cells will not help in the formation of tissues and all first thing. Okay, it will not form any organs. So other cells will form the tissues and the group of tissues will form the organs. Red blood cells have a specific role in the human blood. So I'll give chance to Rishita.
Yes, sir.
What is the function of RBC?
Sir, I also said like tissues only, sir.
Okay.
So they are transporting oxygen from your lungs to your body's tissues.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah.
What are tissues?
Group of cells will form the tissues. Okay. Now when you are combining the group of tissues only, will form one organ. So hand is the organ, nose is the organ, eyes are the organs, right? So group of tissues will combine to form the organs. And a group of cells will combine to form the tissues like that. Clear, Advaika?
Like, how are they going to even help in the function of the cell?
Yeah, just listen everyone carefully. The main important function of the RBC in the human blood is to transport the oxygen from lungs to different parts of the body. What is the main important role? Transportation of oxygen from lungs to different parts of
Transportation
the
of
body.
oxygen from the lungs.
Yeah, and also taking off carbon dioxide from different parts of the body to the lungs.
Does it help in respiration, sir?
Very good. It helps in the respiration, taking the oxygen to the from lungs to the different parts of the body. That means different parts of the body will have the different types of cells, right? So it will it will supply the oxygen to the cells, to the different parts of the body. And while coming back, it will take the carbon dioxide again from the cells to the lungs. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
So it helps in the transportation, right? It helps in the transportation of oxygen and the carbon dioxide. Clear? First, you write a short note. This is the homework for you today. Write the importance of the RBCs. Otherwise, write a short note on the red blood cells. Write down the question.
Short note on the red blood cells.
Yeah, write a short note on the red blood cells in the human blood. Now you have to tell me how many days it will live and where it will die, where it will be formed. Complete information I want on the red blood cells. Okay.
Okay, sir. 1 minute. Can you repeat it, sir?
Write a short note on the red blood cells in the human blood.
Sir, you can call it as RBC also, sir.
I can call it as a simple shortcut RBC. Okay, wow. Okay, so deficiency of RBC will cause the disease called as an anemia, or you can say deficiency of iron will cause the anemia disease.
Sir, in some
Clear?
The B12 in mineral. So B12 in mineral is iron.
Yeah, iron. So mostly we'll get it from the meat. So whenever there is a deficiency of vitamin B12, what are the symptoms it will show? The pale skin color, lack of
Lack
stamina,
of stamina
and
and
appetite,
frequent headache.
and
Lack
frequent
of
headaches.
stamina, appetite, frequent headaches.
Frequent headaches. Good. So these are the deficiency of vitamin B12. Any doubts up to this?
No, sir.
Sri Goda, any doubts?
No doubt, sir. No, sir.
Next, vitamin C. So vitamin C, the most common source is the citrus fruits like lime, orange, lemon, tomatoes, and the sprouts.
Sprouts.
So what is the main role of
Leads
vitamin C in
to
our body?
health
Helps to resist infections and keeps teeth, gums, and joints healthy.
So which will helps in fight against the infections caused by the microbes, keeps our teeth and the gums and joints healthy. Okay. So when you are not taking the proper vitamin C, what will happen? What are the symptoms it will show?
Loosening of teeth,
Losing teeth,
spongy and bleeding gums, increased susceptibility to
Susceptibility to
disease,
disease.
slow healing of wounds, weakness, pain in the limbs.
Now Advaika will give the answer, loosening of teeth. Advaika? Unmute. Everyone has to turn on your cam from starting of the class to the end of the class. You should not turn it off. Hurry. Okay. So loosening of the teeth, spongy and the bleeding gums, increased susceptibility to diseases means we can easily get the disease. Okay, bacteria or something will attack us easily. That is a susceptibility. Slow healing of wounds. If any wound has happened, it will heal very slow. Weakness will feel always weak. Pain in the limbs. So these are the main deficiency or the main symptoms due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Clear?
Sir, so what is the disease, sir?
Sorry,
So how do you pronounce it?
which one?
So if we lack the vitamin C, what is the disease name, sir?
Scurvy. It says scurvy.
What
SCURVY. That only you are asking.
disease?
Okay.
Sir, what's the meaning of scurvy?
Scurvy means some. It's like a, what you'll say. You
It's
cut
called
or
by
form
the
it in the
deficiency
mouth
of
along the side of the mouth or the lips. I'll show you the image also.
Sorry,
Just
so
wait a
like
minute. I'll show you the
it
image.
will be blackish. It will be bleeding of gums.
Bleeding of the gums will happen. The scurvy.
Lack of teeth.
See.
Sir, if we won't have enough vitamin C, scurvy is formed.
Now can you see here? There is a scurvy. So bleeding of the gums.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like this it's happened. That is a scurvy disease. Clear now?
So does it have a cure?
Does it?
Has a cure, sir?
Yeah, cure is there. So when you take the proper vitamin C again, you can avoid the scurvy, right?
Does it?
if we won't have enough vitamins, scurvy will be caused, and if we have it, scurvy won't be caused.
Yeah,
Sir, if we get more vitamins, sir, what happens?
nothing. Excess vitamin will go out of our body. That's all. Because vitamin C we cannot store in our body, right?
Yes, sir.
So it will go as a waste only. Okay, that's what I'm telling. Vitamin C and vitamin B are the water soluble vitamins. We have to take in our regular diet every time.
Sir,
No.
did you-
Yeah,
What are rickets?
rickets are the weak bones or the deformation in the bones. The bone shape will change. Okay, that will study in the vitamin D. So vitamin D, if we take milk, milk, fish, and the egg and the sunlight, these are the main source of the vitamin D, which will help in the proper growth of the bones in children. Okay, so due to the deficiency of vitamin D, what will cause weakness in the bones,
Rickets,
joint
Bones,
and bone deformity,
bones,
joint and bone
like legs
deformity,
and pigeon
like
chest,
bolex
softening of
and
ribs,
pigeon chest,
like
softening of
bow
ribs,
legs and the pigeon chest, softening of the ribs, and
protruding.
protruding abdomen. So all these are the completely deformities formed in the bodies. Deformities means what? It's not usual shape. You have the irregular shapes. Okay, so all these are happening due to the enough Vedant. So all these are happening due to the deficiency of vitamin D. The disease called as in rickets.
So does it only happen to the legs, sir?
It's not only to legs; it can be happen to hands also. That is what I'm telling, right? Deformities in the chest or the ribs or the protruding abdomen. It can happen in any part of our body.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
The last one is the vitamin K. So in every curry, we'll take the spinach, right?
Yeah, sir.
It's
Mostly everything.
the spinach is also for salads.
Salads also will use, very good. So some people will eat the raw spinach directly in the salads or some other form.
The raw spinach is good than cooked spinach.
Sorry.
Sir, raw spinach is good than cooked spinach because they use it in salads.
No, because it
Great.
has 4 words extra.
So spinach, cabbage, and any other green leafy vegetables will provide the vitamin K. So what is the main role of vitamin K in our body?
Helps in
Sir,
blood clotting to stop bleeding.
Not
yes,
clothing,
sir.
it's a clotting.
Sir, it cures our wounds kind of little bit fastly.
So whenever some injuries
To stop
happen,
bleeding.
the top layer of the skin will be removed, right? It will be
Yes,
damaged.
sir.
So
So
due to,
that's why you keep turmeric in like near the wound.
so whenever the top layer of the skin is get damaged or the hurt damaged, we'll get the bleeding of the skin. To stop that bleeding, the vitamin plays an important role because excessive bleeding will cause the loss of blood from the human body, right? Yes or no? If you lost the too much of the blood now, again it will cause some other problems in our body. So to avoid the too much of loss of blood during the injury time, the vitamin K helps in the clotting of the blood. Okay,
Yes, sir.
affecting the clotting of the blood. So vitamin K deficient disease is what? Deficiency of vitamin will cause
Hemorrhage.
hemorrhage.
Hemorrhage,
Hemorrhage.
exclusive.
Excessive bleeding. So whenever there is no clotting of the blood from the injured site, it will cause the hemorrhage.
So that's why they keep turmeric, sir.
Now they'll keep turmeric or they'll apply something to stop the bleeding. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So which one is the most common ingredient we have to take in our daily life to get the different many type of vitamins here?
No. Green leafy vegetables.
Okay, next.
Vitamin
The green leafy vegetables, fruits and eggs.
So
Milk.
it can be beat
Sir,
with
milk also.
or
Milk also.
Milk also you have to take regularly. So it will give multivitamins. It will have the multivitamins. It will provide the different types of vitamins.
Sir, will you take the quiz today?
We'll see the quiz or we'll see video.
Sir, quiz, sir. Yes, sir.
On the video.
Yes. Okay, sir. After video, we'll take. You can take quiz.
Okay. So these are the vitamin deficiency, common source, the disease name, and what is the role of the vitamin in our body. Any doubts in this?
No, sir. No, sir.
This Sunday you have the test, right? So mostly the questions will be
Yes,
covered from this. So you have to compulsory have the table. Okay, everyone.
Yes.
What about Advaika? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So after this vitamins, what is the topic? Carbohydrates finished. So you want to see the video now itself?
Yes, sir. Then you can just directly do it.
Just wait a minute. We'll check some videos, especially on this topic. Wait.
Got one thing, sir.
Okay, just wait a minute. So today, no, wait a minute.
We are also getting the same.
Click here to make your fit.
So we can't see the screen.
Yeah, just I'll share the screen now. Don't worry.
Sir, peekaboo, right, sir?
Yeah,
Oh, that video.
yeah, that video only.
The fish is more healthy because fish contains protein in it, and protein is good for us, which help. And whereas talking about other meals, the other meals contain a large amount of carbohydrates, and which may cause obesity.
No, fish will also contain the carbohydrates also.
So, but it's largely present, but protein is largely present in the fish.
Yeah,
So I think it
almost
is
Vedant, you are correct. Along with the
Oh.
carbohydrates, protein also will be there. So when you compare the fish and the other meat, fish will contain more amount of carbohydrates and the proteins than the other foods, other non-vegetarian made food. So fish is healthy for the body compared to other one. Understand? Good, Singham. Okay. Two richest source of edible protein are.
Can you please repeat the question?
What are the two richest source of edible protein? Everyone is typing in the internet. First one is the Rangu Vedant.
Answer. I didn't have a question only, sir.
So this is a quiz. You have to tell the answer directly. You should not type in the internet.
Sir, I'm not typing.
Vegetable fruits.
So what's the question?
Sir, vegetables and fruits, sir.
No, sir, it's eggs and green leafy vegetables, sir.
Sir, can you repeat the question again?
So two richest source of edible protein. What are the
Sir, fruits and
Foods.
vegetables. Green leafy
Eggs
No, it
and
can take,
green leafy vegetables.
any food you can take? It can be
Sir,
fruits,
fruits
Sir,
and vegetables.
vegetables are protective food, sir.
or it can be seeds.
Sir, eggs
Sir,
and green leafy
fruits and
vegetables.
vegetables and milk also we can take.
Okay.
Sir, milk. Sir, am I correct?
Sorry.
Am I correct? Sir, I have sent in chat, sir. Am I correct?
Four, sir.
Sir, meat, Milk,
Okay.
fish, eggs.
So milk and eggs. Okay, fine. But it's
Grains, nuts.
okay. Can I give the hint?
Yes.
It's a vegetarian product only. Which will
Some
use
vegetables and fruits.
not
Sir,
vegetable.
fish and vegetables, grains, nuts, and seeds.
Yeah, very good.
Vegetable.
Vinil is
What?
correct. It's not vegetable also. Just it is a common thing. Which we use
Vegetable
in
and
preparing
grains.
chutneys.
Seeds and
Vegetables.
milk.
Seeds, nuts,
Cereals.
Nuts.
Cereals.
Cereals. Okay. Nuts.
Nuts.
Okay, fine. But like it is, it will grow under the soil.
Cereals.
One will be grown under the soil.
Cereals and milk.
Radish.
Not that.
Soybeans.
Very good. Soybean is the first one. That is grown. Okay, normal. It is not grown under the soil.
Soybeans and groundnuts.
Sir, can you
check if I'm
correct?
Who is it? The answer is soybean and the groundnut.
Is it correct, sir?
Everyone will eat the groundnuts, right?
Correct.
Beans and grains. Okay. Good. Understand now?